Your pants?
My shorts.
Owen. Oh, he can blow his own whistle. You see that? It's pretty amazing. Whoa! That's town right there. Owen, show me you're blowing your own whistle.
That's not where we go. Whoa.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. You're a lucky man.
That's not where we. That's not where
Many men that would love to blow their own whistle. Not me.
That's where we blow. That's not where we blow. That's not where we blow.
I thought you guys were marching.
March as you blow your own whistle.
Let's have the loud whistle.
Oh, that's classic.
Why don't you march?
Do that.
I'll take it down. Yeah.
Poor little girl.
Now she has nightmares every day. Oh, you're both gonna throw them down your pants.
Put your whistles in your diapers. Owen, what are you doing? Owen?
My underwear.
Oh.